this video we are looking at history management, a feature that implements a version control system in TAO. If you are using the free core edition of TAO, please make sure that you have the extension TAO Revision installed. We are using an item for this demonstration, but it also works on tests and some types of assets. Before we get started, keep in mind that the purpose of a version control system is not to create multiple similar copies of an element. This is what the copy and the duplicate functions are for. Version control, on the other hand, handles changes that you make to an element over time before achieving the final version. Start with a new item, take it into the editor and add an interaction. Once the item is saved, you need to switch to the History tab. Enter a meaningful commit message that relates to the current state of the item, for instance a brief description of its contents at the time. Don't be tempted to do something like this, or this, or this, or even this. Once you hit the commit button, your version will appear in the item's history. Now take the item back into the editor and make some modifications. Save it again, go back to the history and commit it with a different message. You can do this as often as required and until you are satisfied with the final result. The History Manager allows you to go back to an earlier version of the same element. Look in your history for the version that you think is best suitable and hit the Restore button. You will be prompted to enter a commit message. In this example we are using the default one. TAO will give you a feedback when the version is restored. Another look at the history will show you that you are now back at the selected version.